Check out this pre-owned 2003 Dodge Dakota SLT. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, and power steering. Call us today at 818-892-8689. Come and take advantage of our easy financing and low monthly payments.